Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to put together the Ikea Kallax Dual Drawer. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is take out the shell part, make sure that the wheels are pointed down and keep that aside for later. Then you want to get these two screws, take this board, and you want to put them in the bottom and make sure the slot is facing down right now. So this is the front piece of the drawer. So screw these two screws in, and then we want to take these two pegs and put those in this hole here, and then we're going to put the side of the drawer together. So make sure you have these on the right way. You want to have that big hole on the outside and then the cutout on the inside. Put it into the top two pieces of the side there, and then same thing but totally opposite on the other side. So that hole is on the outside, top two, and you want the cutout to be on the inside. Push those down, make sure they're flush, and then get your channel locks. And you want to do this on each side. So put the channel lock in there, and then you're going to lock it into the actual screw there. So just twist and it locks. Next is to take this piece of cardboard. It is rectangular, so make sure it's the right way. You want to have the white facing away from you because that's going to be the inside of the drawer. And then take this piece, put the slot on the cardboard, and then fit it into the other two pieces so it makes sure, full drawer. Then we want to take these two plastic pieces, and this is going to lock the drawer together, so one on each side. Go ahead and just push them in. They recommend use a hammer, but you don't really need it. You can just push it in, and then I just use the back of my screwdriver to finish it off, so whatever's comfortable for you. Then we want to take these two screws and we're going to put the rails on. So the drawer is upside down right now. Make sure the rails are facing down. And there's only two holes it can fit into. So go ahead and screw in both screws and do the same thing on the other side as well. Make sure the rails are not loose as well. Once we've done that, then we just need to put the handle on for the drawer. So put that screw through and then screw the handle on and just make it tight. You don't need a screwdriver for this. You can do it by hand. And then make sure to take off this sticky tape, which I couldn't do, so my wife had to do that for me. Then take this black piece here and you want to make measurements on each side, and this is going to tell you how far to push the shell back in the actual cubby hole. So go ahead and put the shell in and make sure you point those two flaps inside. And then take your screws. What I like doing is I like starting it, so put the screw through both of those pieces of cardboard so you can see it. And then once you've done that, then you can actually mount it into the wood of the Kallax, the whole cube thing. Just find it easier to do it that way. So once you've started it and you can see the screws, line it up with the bottom and then start mounting it into the actual Kallax. So do this one side, and then of course the other side is exactly the same thing. I would recommend not using a power drill too. I love using power drills, but for this, you use a regular screwdriver or you're going to strip screws. Then just put your drawer in, so wheels up, and then they slide in, they go under the rail, and then you push it in, and that's it. And there you go. So now we've got a working dual drawer inside of the Kallax, so I hope that helped.